Hey everybody, so this is my first on camera talking to you guys directly, sort of a video. I'm not dressed up, I'm at home, I don't want to do makeup. But anyway, welcome to my channel. So what is the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5? Long name, I know, but really it's the latest at-home laser machine that Braun has released here in the United States. I think in Europe it's been available for a while under a different name, but in the US this is the only, as far as I know, this is the first FDA certified at-home laser hair removal treatment machine, and this is honestly one of the things that really pulled me towards buying this eventually. I went through this whole research process of, you know, is at-home laser a good option? Because we all know, like, laser hair removal is like the pinnacle of what every brown girl wants, right? At least from the brown girls that I talk to, like, laser hair removal is something that all of us want. You know, it's like one and done. Once you go through the full treatment cycle, that's it, you know. And you never have to worry about shaving or waxing or threading or anything like that. So I was fully prepared to do a full body laser treatment from a professional area, which, you know, is pricey. So lo and behold, because we all know Instagram and Facebook are all listening to us constantly, so I started getting ads on Instagram for these at-home laser machines. Little tiny little like pods that look super stylish and sleek, and you know, they're promising you basically permanent hair reduction through an at-home treatment. So I was very intrigued, and I remember sending my friends the ad on Instagram, and I'm like, I'm gonna look into this. So I started looking into it, and the IPL machine that I kept getting the ad for was the Kenzie, and this is the only one. Kenzie has gone under a very good influencer marketing campaign, I'll give them that. All of the reviews that you see out there are for Kenzie. You don't hear about any of the other IPL machines that are out there on the market. So I did my research, and honestly I have never heard of Kenzie. And that was one of the biggest reasons why I was a little skeptical, because honestly when you're playing with laser hair removal, you're playing with treatments for the skin, you want to go for something that you've heard of or a reputable company. And that's how I came across Braun. We all know the company. I'll put the name. So we all know Braun. You know, they've been making hair removal products for many, many years, whether it's their epilator machines or whether it's their blades. And so Braun was a name that I was very familiar with, and they actually do have an IPL machine, which is the one that I'm talking about in this video. And the thing that really did it for me was the fact that it was FDA. Okay, so IPL stands for intense pulsed light. It's not laser, so that is the main distinction you have to keep in mind, is that laser, there is no such thing as at-home laser hair removal. It's at-home IPL treatment. And the reason why that's such a big difference, and I only know this because I did my research, I'm not like a professional or anything like that. Basically the biggest difference is IPL is a less concentrated form of light. So it, you know, laser light, it's laser focused, you know, it's like it's a straight beam of light that will target your hair root. IPL, same principle, less powerful. So it is, instead of being like a concentrated beam of light, it's more spread out. And that's why, I think that's one of the reasons why they're allowing at-home treatments. It's because it's a less concentrated form of light. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse the sunbeams, but anyway, so like I was saying, IPL, less concentrated, similar principle to laser hair removal. So one thing to keep in mind is that when you do IPL at home, it's gonna take a little bit longer than if you were to get a professional laser hair treatment done. With the Braun machine, which I'll show you clips of what it looks like, it's very handy, comes in a full kit on its own. and it's it's, you know, plug powered, so it's not wireless. I wish it was rechargeable though. I think the next iteration of it should be that it's a wireless rechargeable device. So basically the way that you use it is you do weekly treatments for the first 4 to 12 weeks. So for the first month, you are going to be doing this every week just to really weaken the hair root. And that's what I did, and that's what I'm doing. So right now, I just passed the 5th mark of my weekly treatments. And so far, I'm very, very impressed. I'm very, you know, pleasantly surprised because I was going into it sort of like as a skeptic because I didn't know if it would be really effective in what they were claiming. So I've seen drastic change in my arm hair. I think the arms were the first area where I really noticed a huge change. I would say like 3 weeks in, and I'll put in, you know, clips of my arms as what they look like before and what they look like now without shaving. So even right now, if I were to show you, so the last time, I don't know if that's gonna focus. So this is what my hair looks like. My arm is looking like right now, ignore the henna. But I haven't shaved since last Friday. And really there's no regrowth. And so it's been really, really great on my arms because I haven't had to worry about it. And I don't think I'm going to keep doing it on my arms just because I don't feel like the need to do it. And on my legs, drastic difference also by this point in the week. So the last time I shaved is on Friday. It's almost like 50 to 60% less growth than what it would normally be at this point in time. So within within 48 hours, I feel like my hair starts to grow back. But here, after 5 weeks of treatment, it's almost non-existent. So it's definitely proving to be effective for me so far, and I'm really, really happy about that. Underarms are taking a bit longer. There has been a reduction in hair growth, but it hasn't gone away completely. So I think I have another couple of weeks to go with both my underarms and my legs. As far as the face, so you can use this device on your face, but only in this area below the cheekbones. They make that very clear in all of the warning manuals that come with it. There's a lot of warnings on this device, but that's just because they're trying to avoid lawsuits, I'm guessing. So I used it on my upper lips. Huge difference on my upper lips, and I never thought I would say this. I was like, nothing can get rid of the upper lip. But so if I can focus, usually by this time I have a 5 o'clock shadow and I have like hair sticking out, but I hope you can see that there is nothing here. And I'm very, very happy about that. So it's only been 2 weeks. Only been 2 weeks. So this week will be the 3rd week that I do laser on this, IPL on this, sorry. And I've done it on my chin and here on like my double chin area. This I think is gonna take another 2 weeks of treatment because I can feel some of the hair growing back, but this has been amazing. I am so happy about that because not only does this not make me wanna worry, it doesn't make me worry about the hair growing back here, it just evens out the pigmentation here. I would always have like this dark pigmentation here, and I know a lot of South Asian girls deal with that. So that is a plus on that. Very happy about that. I haven't had any issues of like color changes, so I've been removing the hair here, just using an eyebrow razor. But with the IPL, you can see that there hasn't been a huge difference. So this part of my face has all been IPL'd and it's really good. So yeah, that's how my face, arms, underarms have been working, and I'm very happy so far. I'm very excited to see after the full 12 weeks what the final results are, and so I'll definitely do an update on that video, on this video, once the 12 weeks are gone. So I started May 1st. It is June, what day is it today? I don't even know. June 3rd? Is it June 3rd? Yes, it's June 3rd. So in a couple of weeks, hopefully I can do another one of these quick videos just to give you my final thoughts. But yeah, that kind of wraps up my initial review, or initial to middle review of the machine. If you have any questions, leave them down below, because maybe I missed a whole bunch of things that you guys wanted to know. As far as price goes, it's retailing for $329. But if you have like, you can get it on Amazon, and that's where I ordered it from. I ordered it directly from Braun's Amazon store. So if you had Amazon gift cards, use those up. If you have credit card points, use those up, and that'll be a way you can reduce the price a little bit. And what else? Oh, so the machine also comes with a Gillette razor that you can do, because what you have to do with these treatments is you have to shave beforehand and then use the treatment on the device. And honestly, the device is very quick to use. My entire body takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, because you literally just glide it across your skin and it works perfectly. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I'm hoping to do a follow-up video for you all, but I thought I would get this posted, and hopefully you found it useful. So again, maybe I'll do more on camera talking type videos. If you liked what you saw, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. So take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!